Hey, it's Alyssa, if you didn't know. I made this kind of festival look. I don't know if you want to wear this just every day. You can wear it to the grocery store, to the movies, to pick up your kid from school, whatever. It's pretty much your everyday basic festival look that everyone creates. Feel free to recreate this video, tag me, follow me on Instagram, like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell if you want to be notified anytime I post a video. I'm gonna try posting once a week. If you enjoy seeing my face, we'll see. Yeah, I think this is a pretty major glow up from the beginning of the video. Actually, this is the beginning of the video, so continue watching if you want to see how I got this look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pro palette, and I'm going to be using the color Granite. I follow the bottom of my eyebrow, the shape, first. And right here, I have a little bald spot that I fill in, and then I follow it, and I go a little bit longer than my hairs go. Okay, so I move to the top of my eyebrows, and I have a bunch of bald spots. So I fill them in as neatly as I can. So this arch on this side of my face is closer to the center than this arch. This arch is right here, equal with the outer part of my iris. This arch is farther out, equal with the outer corner of this eye. So I fake this arch by drawing it farther out. Like so. It looks weird, but it makes my brows look fuller, a little bit more manicured. And I just keep adding product to make it as opaque as possible. I also sometimes use brow pomade, which you don't have to keep applying product because it's so pigmented. It looks like this. That is what it looks like inside, and it's in the color Granite. The starting point right here is farther away from the center of my face than the start over here, which is like even with my nose, this one's farther over, even with my nostril. So that I also fake. Just drawing upward strokes. We're not going for a natural look today, guys. Not today. What do you say to the god of death? Not today. So that's how I do my eyebrows when I don't want a natural look. Now is the time to figure out what kind of eye look I'm gonna do. I have these iridescent self-stick gems. This is what they look like. I also have these lovely gems. So maybe I'll use that as an inspiration. So for my eye look, I'm gonna be going in with Melt Cosmetics Radioactive Stack. It is this lime green color, which is called Xenon, and then the radioactive color itself, Radioactive. We're gonna start off with a neutral color, also from Melt, from the Dark Matter stack called Unseen. So I'm going to go in with this Eco Tools. It's a double-ended eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go in with the blending brush, and I'm going to go in with my crease with this color. This is not really a fluffy blending brush. It's pretty stiff, so it can make harsher lines. Just build on top. I'm not going far down on my lid. I'm gonna go higher up towards my brow bone and blend it as much as possible. So when you close your eyes and you feel where your eyeball and your brow bone meet, and there's that space in between, that is the crease you want to make. I'm making it round. I'm following that eye socket shape. I'm just blending it up. I'm going in with Xenon with a clean hand. I'm going to pat it on the inner corner to the center of my eyelid. And I guess it doesn't really matter if you get messy with it. I'm patting it, but I'm also kind of wiping it into my skin. But just keep adding pigment. So until you get pigmented color that you want on your lid, just feel free to keep going. Just keep adding it forever. Do the same to the other side. Oh no, I might be inspired by aliens right now. I might be an alien. So we've got some green lids now. remember the Eco Tools brush that we just used with the brown color? We're gonna go in with the other side. So I'm gonna go in with the green on the bottom lid. And I'm just gonna match what I did on the top lid. If you have crazy eye wrinkles like I do, you gotta pack that on a little bit extra. Squeeze it in to those wrinkles. Make those wrinkles your bitch. So the next color we're gonna go in with our fingers is pink. This bright pink color, you take a clean finger that doesn't have green on it, go in with radioactive. And we're gonna put this in the center of the eyelid, kind of blending it in with the green. It's kind of like a stripe. So take the pink that's on your finger and blend it in with the green. And then, go back in with the green, blend it in with the pink. And just go back and forth. Make sure you don't put your finger in the wrong color. I'm gonna take my pinky with the pink color, and I'm gonna do that same thing on the bottom. Such a better color payoff using my fingers. And with another clean finger, I'm just gonna tap these two colors together. So next, I'm going to take the NYX Avant Pop 10 color shadow palette, this shimmery teal color for my third outer corner shade. I'm going to tap it into the outer corner or the outer V of my eyelid. Just keep tapping it in until I get a great color payoff that I want. Blend it into the pink. This is like a Neonpolitain, rainbow, unicorn, shimmery, neon, ice cream look. I don't know. Yeah, you can see where my eye is watering because the shimmery teal blue color is way more shimmery now. So next, for the inner corner, I'm going in with this icy white color from the same palette that I got the blue color from. I'm gonna use my pinky for my other hand and put it in the corner like so. Just dabbing it and blend it out. So this is a brush that comes in this Milani palette that I have somewhere. It comes with an eyeshadow side and a pencil blending side. Going with the blending side, it's a stiff blending brush, not fluffy, just tapping it under. And then I'm going in with my, my finger. If you have a clean finger, that's preferred. So next, I'm gonna go in with, you guessed it, e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara in the color black. These lashes, they're super dramatic, which makes me love them. Sounds delicious. While I'm letting this dry, you guys let me know in the comments what you want to see, what kind of makeup you want me to do. I can try special effects makeup. I have some liquid latex and scar wax and face paint, stuff like that. You guys can name this look if you want. It's kind of a mess, kind of a get ready with me. I don't know. And put it in the center of my eyeball, right above my eyelashes, and then I'll go in the center. Wow, this makes me look demented or cross-eyed. Alright, so I got some eyeshadow on my actual eyelashes. Don't give up. Push through. I don't know if these are gonna stick. So this is Kat Von D's Lolita. I use it pretty much every day. Whatever you want to call this is like my festival look. I need to get better lighting because you cannot even see how great it looks in person because it's all shadowy. Okay, so this is my finished look. I guess it's just your basic everyday festival look that pretty much everybody on the planet does. I had these gems that I have had rotting away in my drawer for I don't know how many years. So it inspired me to do this colored eye look. My hair is just up in two tiny buns. I'm not gonna show you how I did that because I'm not a hairdresser and it doesn't look that great. You can get these gems at Michael's. So I really hope you enjoyed watching me struggle making this look. Feel free to recreate it if you want. I'm pretty sure I listed everything in this video. If I didn't, I will list it in the description box below. If you want to see me do any other kind of makeup look, please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell. It will notify you when I post any new videos. And I will try to make at least one video a week. This is Alyssa, and I am signing